Sue, check this out. This is the super photo that I was telling you about in there. And you go in, and here is all these premiums and filters, and you can have frames. This is how I put the frame on the picture that I put in group last night. You can use that. It's just kind of a neat, fun thing. It really is. So let's just go in. Let's do filters. And for instance, here is this one. It's called painting. And let's pick this one that sees, these are the ones that I made right here that went into the training room. But anyway, open this up. And here's the one. I think I did this for you. Oops, see, it already did it. Anyway, it takes your old picture, your original picture, and then does like really weird things to it. You always want to come over here, see over here to the right, and you put custom, and you want 1,000 by 1,000. Sometimes it does not give you custom, so if so, always pick large. Take a look at that. But anyway, you can take this and you can move it around. Say, I don't want as much intensity, or I want more saturation, and it just changes it. Let's take the burn down. See up here, it's processing preview. Yeah, well, that's pretty bad. But anyway, you can just play around with it and see if you like it. If you don't like it, let me move this up here. All you have to do is come over here to the left-hand side, right here with the arrow, and push it backwards. Okay, and so we're back in filters again. Let's see more. So here's one. Where is it? It's called Rain. It's one of the ones I did for you, and I also did one on hers. Oh, here's Gleam. I don't know. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that's really brown. See right here. Okay, here's a medium and large. Look over here to the right. So just click on large, and it makes it, bigger. Okay, we don't want that, so we're going to go backwards. And let's try. There was one on Rain. I don't know where it is. Just have to scroll through them. Okay, here's Rain. Hit Rain, and this is what's going to happen to it. See, it's processing preview right here. And so it lifts it up and makes it smaller and gives you this area down here that gives you an open area, like right there. And so we have large over here. You can play with this intensity, go down. It's processing preview. Sometimes it takes a while to go and change it. Like now. Oh, here it goes. So see, it makes it more clear instead of the rain. So the rain is not as much, but yet you still have this area down here to play with. But if you don't like that, then all you have to do is hit your back arrow and say, let's do Frozen. I don't know what that is. That doesn't look like anything, right? Huh. All right, let's go back. Anyway, you can just play around and pick up things and, do what, make it all change. Split reverse, I didn't even see anything happen on that. Huh, isn't that weird? I probably have to go back out and bring a new picture in because I've changed it. So anyway, it's just like, I don't know, it's just fun. But you could come over here, like I said, with frames and do that. Add a frame to it of some sort. And here it's black all the way around. That's that frame. I don't know what thin paintbrush is. See how it changed it? You just go in, play with it, do different things. Old sheet. Hello, hello, hello. Goodness. Well, almost done downloading. Come on. Wow, that must be some frame, huh? Oh, ooh, that's ugly. But anyway, it puts on a frame. Again, if you don't like it, you just go backwards and hit something else and just keep playing around with it. But you have patterns, textures, you have all kinds of stuff in here. And you can just take what you have and, whoops, that didn't work, and change it. 3D rotate. See, this is what I use for your ascending and descending. You can turn these. You can come over here. Here's your custom. And again, make sure you do 1,000 by 1,000. But anyway, you can turn things on it sideways. Cube frame. Well, all right. Let's bring the steps down. Yeah. And let's bring the stretch down. See how you can do it? And you can just keep changing things to what you want and kind of play around with it. So anyway, just an idea. That's tiles. Yeah, that's a lot of little green people. Divide. Anyway, that's what it is. Enjoy.